Hi everybody, and welcome to another song tutorial by the Rawk School of Music. Today we're talking about 10 Years Gone by Led Zeppelin. We're going to be talking about the rhythm guitar parts during the solo and the part directly after the solo. Alright, let's get started. Okay guys, so one of the reasons I wanted to break down this guitar solo rhythm section part of 10 Years Gone is because I couldn't really find a clear, easy to follow video on YouTube, so I thought I'd do that for you guys. Okay, so we have a bunch of jazzy chords coming into this section here, right? We start off with the D major 7 chord. One thing about this is we are tuned to drop D right now, so when we first hit that D major 7, we're hitting the low 6 string as well. It gives us a big, nice, open, round sound there with that drop tuning. You can play that D major 7 by putting your first finger across the first 3 strings on the 2nd fret. Okay, the second chord in the sequence it's a G sus4. It looks a little different than your normal G sus4 because of the low 6 string being tuned down to D. But it goes from G sus4 to G. So we have D major 7, G sus4 to G. The next chord. It's a really pretty chord. It's actually an E minor 7 add 6. It's a funky sounding chord, but it's really pretty. You can see there we're adding the pinky finger to the 5th fret on the 4th string for a little spot of that strumming there. And then we hit a G chord, and then we're back to our D major 7. So let me play that whole sequence. Repeat that section 4 times in a row. So let me play that again real slow for you guys. So we have D major 7, okay, so you hear that 4 times during the solo. It's the backing track during the guitar solo. A very cool part happens after that with a couple power chords. You're gonna take when you drop D, you can do a power chord with just one finger, barring the 6th and 5th string. Okay, so we're on 7 to 9, 7, 5. Then we end up on the open D chord, D power chord, the D and the A. And this next chord is also a very pretty chord. You put your 3rd finger on the 4th fret 4th string and your 1st finger on the 2nd fret 3rd string. You have the open 2nd string and the open 1st string. So it sounds like this, and he does an upstroke, kind of like a rake. Listen to that chord again. That last chord is a D major 6-9 chord. Another jazz chord. There's a lot of jazzy chords in this, okay? So listen to that part again. Okay, so he does that 4 times. Right before he resolves to that D major 6-9 for the 4th time, instead of resolving to that chord, there's a new set of chords that come in, okay? An A major 7 here. This is the kind of for the lead part that follows directly after the solo. It's an A major 7. Okay, you can play an A major 7 by putting your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret 4th string, your 1st finger on the 1st fret 3rd string, and your 3rd finger on the 2nd fret 2nd string. Open top string, open E string, and open 5th string. So he goes from the A major 7 to a D major 7. Kind of adds his pinky over there for a short little kind of like little fill there, kind of adding a 5th to the chord up top. Then he goes to a G major 7. Okay, next chord is a C major 7. A major 7. D major 7 with the pinky. G major 7 to C major 7. Okay, the G major 7 can be played with the 2nd fret or 2nd finger on the 5th fret 6th string, 3rd finger on the 5th fret 5th string, and 1st finger on the 4th fret 4th string, using the open 3rd, 2nd, and 1st strings, as well as the 6th string. C major 7 is like a regular C chord without the 1st finger. So that whole sequence sounds like this. Back into the lead fill that happens several times during this song. You can check my other video on the rest of most of the rest of the song of 10 Years Gone for reference on that. Alright guys, hope you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, click the like button, follow us on Instagram. If you have any suggestions for us to do new song tutorials, leave them in the comments below. Thanks a lot. We'll see you for the next video.